Okay, out of here. We're headed up to Akko. We're going to, it's an old city that was trying to take over by Napoleon or something. I have no clue. You'll find out when I find out. So, they're waiting for me in the car. And our car. We got a nice car. It's a crazy car. Thank you, Alex, for loaning us your vehicle. And taking our crappy rental car. Nice car.
It's all for Mama.
Say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Now say it again.
Napoleon tried taking over Akko. That did not work.
Didn't work. He was too short.
We're still here.
This country is amazing, man. I love it here. It's just ridiculous. There's just like ancient things everywhere. Like, do you know how old rocks are? I'm telling you, rocks can be really old. There's old rocks over there. We just finished eating at Cafe Neto over there, and the tide's coming in. So I'm going to try to walk around these tide pools a little bit while I can, because they're pretty old. Had to make sure it was recording. There are so many things that move in these tide pools, but it's not like most tide pools that I've seen. Everything that moves is small and small. Like, there are some crabs, there are no sea anemones that I see. They're just small things, really small things. And the tide's coming in faster now. So I'm gonna move faster. You can actually see the tide. Really good. It's like a little cluster of like teeny tiny hermit crabs right here. Check it out. Teeny tiny. Can't even understand it. Oh, so cute. This place is amazing. It's really awesome. It's really cool. I like it a lot. I could play out here a lot for a long time. So I found a really awesome place to sit and scope stuff out. So let me see. I'm on this really old rock on a wall. It says you're not supposed to climb on, so I'm just sitting. It's awesome. And so the view. That water's like 4 or 5 inches deep, so no jumping today. I think I'll be able to see where I was sitting from here. Yeah, I was sitting over there. Sweet. We might get a treat and get a show. We might get to watch the super tankers fill up with water here that are fighting the fires all over Israel. So they just went by over here and they are turning around, and last time they came through they filled up right here behind us. So maybe. place to do handstands. It's awesome. Yeah, I just went a little bit farther out here. Check it out. Just have to go across this. And then, yeah, right here. Right here's a good place to do handstands. Because, really, I mean, what better place than this? There's just